4 effective acne treatment recipes. 1. Green tea wash. Need 1 green tea bag and 1 cup of water. Preparation and use. Brew a cup or small bowl of green tea. Let cool to the touch. Apply to the affected area with a clean cloth. 2. Apple cider vinegar wash. Need half cup, 120 milliliters, water and 2 tablespoons, 28 milliliters, apple cider vinegar. Preparation and use. Pour the water and vinegar into a small, clean bowl. Stir to combine. With a cotton swab or cotton ball, dab the diluted vinegar on each blemish. Use 1 swab or ball per blemish to keep the infection from spreading. The application may briefly sting, but that should soon stop. Apply at night for best results. Effects. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is an antiseptic and helps regulate skin acidity. Warning. Because undiluted vinegar may irritate the skin, always start with a 1 to 8 dilution of vinegar to water, for example, 2 tablespoons, 28 milliliters, of vinegar to 1 cup, 235 milliliters, of water, and build up to 1 to 4 and, if possible, to vinegar only. 3. Yogurt honey mask. Need half cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, and 2 strawberries. Preparation and use. In a small bowl, blend the yogurt and honey. Mash the strawberries and fold into the yogurt mixture. Pull back your hair and wash your face with warm water. Use a cotton ball to spread the mask onto your face. Recline for 10 minutes while the fruit and milk acids do their work. Wash with cool water and pat dry with a clean towel. Effects. Yogurt contains lactic acid, best results. And strawberries contain several fruit acids, primarily citric acid. These acids help remove dead cells and unclog pores. Honey is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant. 4. Pineapple refresh. Need 1 fresh pineapple. Preparation and use. Slice away the sides of the pineapple, separating the fruit from the rind. Set the fruit aside in a bowl. Rub the inside of the rind on your face. Mash a single slice of pineapple and rub it onto your face. Let the pineapple juices work for about 15 minutes while you enjoy eating the fruit. Wash your face and pat it dry with a clean towel. Repeat weekly as needed. Warning. Do not apply pineapple to your skin if you're allergic to it. If you develop any redness or irritation, stop.